Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Woo Cinema promo codes in 2025. So in order to get it, you just have to open a new tab and search for voucher.co.uk. So over here, you just have to simply search for Woo Cinema and it will show you the discounts code for Woo Cinema as of January 2025. So you just have to simply select the code in which you are interested. So let's say I'm interested in this one, in which I can get free cinema tickets for Vitality members. So you need to click on the get discount option and it will show you the instructions that you need to follow in order to avail this discount and in order to avail this offer. So you can try some other websites as well that can give you the latest working promo codes, but in my opinion this is the best that you can find. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.